There is a common misconception that the human flag is a meathead move. And people think the best way to learn it is just be like, bro, what do you mean? All I gotta do is push and pull as hard as I can. No, that's a good way to get injured. And what you want to do is learn how to create structure in your shoulders so that you do not hurt yourself. The reason why the human flag can be so dangerous to the shoulder is anytime the shoulder of the bottom arm goes like this or like this, you're risking catastrophic injury. Beginners should always have their arm fully locked and shoulder pressed out of the socket as hard as possible. As you get more advanced, you can start bending the bottom arm, but the shoulder must remain pressed out as hard as possible at all times. The chest up flag is the safest flag for beginners because when your arm is behind you like this, your shoulder can't go anywhere. And what you're going to want to do when you're in the chest up flag is look at the sky and create a straight line that goes through your body and comes out of your diaphragm, right there. You will want to learn the chest up flag by starting out in a bridge flag. To do that, grab the lowest rung on the ladder, get your proper grip spacing, and turn over into a bridge. This is not it though. The first thing you're gonna do is drive your head back and push up so that that line of your arm goes out your rib cage. Be up on your toes, pull that top knee up, and then you can progress by doing knee pumps. For the side flag, you're going to want to have your arms open at 3/4 width, fully pressed out like this. From there, what you're going to want to notice is that I'm creating a straight line through my lat that basically comes out at the top of the oblique muscle. So I'm going to be here. If this is my bottom arm, I'm going to also want my neck tilted down a little like this, looking straight forward. To learn the side flag, you will again grab the lowest rung on the ladder, get your proper grip spacing, and come out. The bottom leg will be slightly bent and you'll be in a kind of small straddle. From here, you're gonna pull your knees in by rolling your bottom ankle. You see what I'm doing with my bottom ankle? Notice my head is slightly tilted down and I'm pressing out hard with the bottom arm and pulling hard with the top arm. So to progress, what you'd wanna do is come into this position and then bounce on your toes a little. You could also bring the bottom leg up and hold. For any human flag where you are below parallel, what you're gonna wanna do, again, have your arms at 3/4 width, and what you're gonna wanna do is bend hard sideways at the rib cage. You're gonna wanna create a straight line that runs through your shoulder, through your chest, and then out the bottom of your pectoral muscle. Now what I'm gonna do with my head is when I'm there, I'm gonna be looking straight down my bottom arm. So if I'm on this side, I'm looking straight down my bottom arm like this. And finally, to learn the low flag that is below parallel, you're gonna wanna start at a standard kick-in height, but you're gonna wanna open up the top elbow like this, press out as hard as you can on the bottom arm. Look straight down that bottom arm and turn your body sideways on your tippy toes, walking your toes under your hips. Press out hard with the bottom arm, top elbow open, looking straight down that bottom arm. You'll notice now this arm creates a line straight out the top of my rib cage, right at the bottom of my pec muscle. From here, you can progress by doing toe taps, lifting up, or changing shapes. What you never want to do in this position is let that happen or let that happen.